yen yani ni odobro ni no kra na ze kono kra to de onu no onim so de ne shaba onu kra na ze ko bobu so panyama ne na obi anim ti e fan e kire na e fan out Faustina Fosu nim enti wani nya ba na kire se ne onu fan out ah na waja wale na man kan kire na wani nya ba because o wu fufro no obi anim so ne wale oja wale na obi o mo nim ye Faustina na odim mbapa wo ko so ati ase e na onu ka bi kire Abusuapanin no nkomodi no man di anko kire sa enti Faustina na onu na se ko beka na tie hu odobro no nso nim se numba den saba ayansa ne da ho enti obi mo Abusuapanin ko nye odobro no so wo mu bi because as ko no so te ho kire Abusuapanin ba beginning no because I don't put my
Abusuapanin the brial. Abusuapanin ko kan ho asem wo court but order
we are Ghpagetv so Ghana Info TV so ebusiane ne da woni ebo channel so make sure so subscribe e dia am na face so click notification bell no se basa na update bia no wo ena wodi kan ya wonsa ebeka bi ene video bia eje no me na wa be fontin channel so eno bi na Ghana Info yakwakofa yede eba bedamo eti America crib me so be come hwen na ye nyina akwakohwe video ni bi e dia ba ne ba yede adwentre aba beto comment section
ba e bia na so mu saka still o ma ya tunsa pi no mbi no ye yira ada so one odogo nko no sa de be ko supreme court so o munye tradition awale ni
okay
then o ma ko challenge tradition and so o be fa new case a challenge traditional case no say traditional awale o munye ntum ensa no mun sa kan na so o ma ye new case ba pi ne de say this Serwaa kan de ending on the say no ma kan judgment na no mo hweso
na semba kompesen busan zisia na say Elena woman so afale so Ghpagetv ne ade no so eno so no na say court ne be mani bia na say
on file obi file earlier it doesn't mean say nipa na Ghpagetv. Letters of administration no, it is for somebody that will oversee the distribution anyway obi kwa betimi atake that's what the law says but you wanna oba say yeah distribute you can say nipa na wo ne estates fairly okay and I say you are overseeing it and I say oh sheme ya chamo bia what you say and it's not as if say you pattern the letters of administration and say Ghpagetv nyina bedi ne nche
okay yo Brian I'm say sometimes also sometimes kasa I'm say nimebo ha on pese obeyi ne di hwe say the omo group papa ni mas no lumba no me no all Germany has been me lumba kasa one on one da lumba ishane in my life so 3 times what I say lumba so mukrum hono wa na me so me free
okay
ya ko say wa krum mi kwa na me say hono me free me ye wo mo tema etete tema na me tu kwan ba buche I have my call a crew once in my life. That was last 2 years. Now me call a suefu. Me ofa kochre me ho. Me ofa oni lumba papa. Any papa ni lumba papa ni free papa back. Me ofa ono so friend Charles Fosu.
okay
What I say? It is the way and some no calling na ni na ediche na I breaking and what I say the way anya my call no. Woman I say mutimi hold no responsible. Pa na the way say na say wa breaking lumba because the way or destroy ni legacy no. Na ya. Nti say wo fa ya sensembu ha munka na manfo nyina so nti because yesu Germany ha o any so easy the way woman na freak lumba no yesu ha papa nti sensembu na wo kan nka say oh muntwa mani na mra bontin mi fi mu na mu krom ho mi so fi obi
don't worry mama nani be guas last minute yen nyina wa no one nani be guas
because legal wife for am still am ntefo so mo so schools the moment see ho do there's so much dwen obi nim de say de tie nti mo breaki bibi obi am man na bontin
o say o asem wo ho a nipa no wudie ba wo office wo kam mama na o ka guwa wo nani mase enti na bibi wo ha ba de munya abotre ba
because I too much
sembo ha na wo ka gu nua na nkasa ni mase so wo de mechen and no nyima amina asem kura nyima amina nti emu ya no kwase wo de boto so because na akogo no so ni mase so de ase
because still na man for no almost some ready you know yin na yeti unless almost me meeting on any platform be so ready be bring na yeti but be brain still enko amanfo aso say a woman no lumba bia ni legal marriage or German still enko amanfo aso no even yeah support to mon kran still and be na enura amanfo aso still people are confused okay tinyemebu ha mun de
no they won't say the reason why people will be confused is that obi or how you think say okay so mama no only certificate why will she wake up one day and come to the court and say
yeah
or certificate, you understand? But at the end of the day, the basis on which Judge Dorinda and Angie, her ladyship Angie, Winantum. The best idea is let's go to the appeal and then see what happens. What I said.
Okay. Na mama Alex so you trying to press conference no. No break is anyim ni na no mama for you na say Germany bi no. Say dem kan you say you follow court no, you follow the Alex be kan ni na ye dey tell you. But be brain sla confuse dem no. Na mama for you na who say papa no, mama me no oni lumba bi ani aware bia o Germany. On breaking out.
So omunyanwe fene omunyanwe o de bibia ye ya obeto omo
ba nyi
omo ye bibia ebewie o de mamunwe adwuma na ansa se bibia ye computer mo de beba o de munya abote
ma yeah train pa because in Brazil no does do that munas.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Bako, please kindly come in. Kwaku Mpacho, please kindly come in.
Istara me patro me chiam.
Me Mpacho ye do so.
Say me questions no bre ya mama am make a big clear mama na odobro ni supporters da bebree mu say judge no favor maami Akosua Serwaa na ode traditional marriage no man but so we ha omo call court no purpose be say ye begina tum say fiaware no ewo ho sa ordinance aware na de da so ndem say na da so keke no da so keke nti omo koye omo adwuma omo de nti omo call court no ho adwuma na omo koye nti say ya na de do mutinu say judge no favor maame no de fiaware man no because I no pay platform back you say me say odoyewu odobro ni platform ni biso no na agba na chinidie wo hopa say almost say judge na anye ordinance na antumu no nenko ensese nko de traditional marriage no ema no ko so obo na asem ni na me say no wanye ordinance na antumu ne de kire say ifiaware wo ho se oje ordinance ni tumu a na be ka say ordinance no ewo ho de a etwa ifiaware ni enti se ya farmer be ade no so wanye antumu de untimi ka say ma anye antumu nti ifiaware bi eni ho na ifiaware
no so no be there dance say it happened and obi answer opinion prove that time no na ye twem
yes enti judge ne de on favor will be omo de defend omo case ye na omo nsaka omo judgment enti se odobro ni lawyers na so betimi overturn niema ama niema asesa
omo defend your case no that one has nothing to do with them defending their case. It is because the other odobro lawyers they didn't object to the fiaware. What I say, they had issues with it. Now, call into it. Judgment that's what the judge said. So because Oma objected to it, and no tina, or yes, okay, say, Yanji court aware na to Mudia. If you are no, the witness account, any they not being able to prove, say, okay, and sano, yadeba, Abusuapanin netina say. Na omo J sano ni ade no yanya witness be to come maintain then it means say our ni gu ye dia then who kwan say wo ye yire a wo say okoye ifia kunani what you say
no current say no ye be celebration an say yen so supporters no ye de ye mpe 1-1 draw bia wo ya blabu ye penel ye rain street rain in this no momo ye na se omo bedum ye na se ifiaware no so omo counter suit o mama no so ye twemu ato agu ba bia na ye hu se ye maame odobro ni nko na ye yele na oma no denden na omo de ha ya adwene okurum ha na ye hu nto ye sere omo a omo nya hu bibi ma ye me da se.
All right. Thank you so much, Gogo. That be Beyonce.
Good evening.
Good evening, dear.
Good evening. Yeah, nyame adom. I'm sorry.
Yes,
So I
sir.
want to come on that side, but you hear from me, my tight to a baby.
I know.
I'm trying to figure. Okay, Brian Mitchell, the last soul Mitchell. Say
Yes,
Alex.
papa.
Ethiopia. Brian, my question then maybe me the buy no I say no but I say out of frustration attack kakra no and then me send ya ba. Brian ya wo buy e bisa sisi rather quick so bisa me ti ase onya me ho keka me no. This is my concern. And as a bribi akọ chima ato chima kakra e wo abusua ne side eno de mesre aka. Anything say mu dia sisi a your papa da testimony whatever he testified to the way you just read it is clear say I think say nay is speaking and then people are muted but yet it still opens up. I don't know. Bibi actually we say at least say not that any okra no abusua ni bi yawe sa ware we na egu ofie eguye iti adie pa na dokuru ben na beda baabi ema maami timi nya akwan ba abonten be ka se wono pe na yenye ne yere eno na nchen yakopie court nyina achi judge a wotie konwa mu nso atimi akase okay wudie abemu aware which is the ordinance no se mo antimi improve a ifia ware ye de magia to wabre ifia ware ye ne nso agu na empo judge pronounce maame no as a yere oye ex-wife bra sabe ye nyina yakwa ware ye jai ye nim how we beba say be ma beto fom na ya sori yakwa ko gina bedwum asan fa nipa dom wadi achi aka semwa eni ho aye nim no kora se ye ja ware ye ama wiase nyina aye confused wa bra nipa no a wa free mu be ma no na busua tiase ye free Ghana wo ye fi Africa abusua tiase abusua nya baako mienu miensa enan sisters wo fa asefo cousins kese mudoso na mutimi hwe ema ye kampo se maame no sabe wo ye papa ne yire ne yankase wo ye ne yire dada wo ne wo mma na wotimi di gina so besi ne everyday ka obi ba watena mo de hye ho ahwe no akosi ne wudam no yes rabisa munyi ya no Dabi Brian munyi ya no de kire se munim pefe se maami ya ware ye guwa bi jaja ware all these years edie ne ba ya mutimi ko jakota nipa ba akokora ntimi ankasa church yesrawo ye de hye no maami we woni na ja ware dada onini ni ware wa mamre mu empo na kokoto na no koto sem no monkonko deal with it na matimi ahwama jeje declare se maami ne yeyere na won konko yekuna mo se maami etimi di asemu ye gina so hwede nipa dom hwensemu akoso nkrofo a mo ni nkrofo anya problems hwentokwa asi hwenkrofo sika ya gyegie monhwe nyoma sebe modehie no ewo mu se ofiri mu fie but wabeye busua ne o mani nyina asset monhwe ni wuachi hwensemu akoso amuni mu nokre seriously we are frustrated and then kasa de bra me tone no permit me I'm really upset because
right so me
ni patitru bi wo me fie o me kasa oh hwe enoma we na yemu bi afa ne personal kakra no and it say you go binum say wo ye fie nti omu wo achi say ni ye betena se ama omu legacy akọ down the drain ana our family is going to behave like this. Ye nuanom yere no mbe sori a omunim so ma ware agua babagye abegu ye nuanom animu asese yana ama abusua tena se dia wotene nipa ne ho som no hwe no sebi odobroni seni abusua mu ni sister na ni ye na ya meka na se obeka se me mposo no mu ni odobroni ni na abusua ni ye ba kokora mama ewura no obedwe ni papa ne yemu ahye no wasuro because mu ni mpefe se na wade ni ndi ho tiade na nipa da sani ba kokoro ntimi anyina ama baba awano na mutumi hwehwehwe han ema maame no kura klemu bibi wabra munim so ye moyere dada ado no nko na akwa ware na guo Ghana ma bebre aware gya aware adenti na maame we nko mama ne kwan amana ye de oye eti die hye sumu ase abra ne ka se mun kampie no mun kampie mi yente na yente mi na
answer question say me answer we na
Brian, me no anya problem anwumre we pa.
Tie me de. Tie me de. So akasa wo nka.
Ba cho be tie wa, be tie o.
Ene say, obremu Abusuapanin ye beginning no. Ye nyina na enim. Odobro ni no kra na ze kono kra tie do onu no onim. So de ne shaba. Onu kra na ze ko bo Abusuapanin amane. No obi anim. Tie fan e kire na fan out Faustina for sisunim. Enti wani nyina ba na kire se ne ono fan out say na waja wale na man kan kire na wanyina ba. Because wo fufro no. No obi enu so ne wale. Oja wale no obi enu. Omo munim ye Faustina no odim. Mbapa wo wuko. So what I say? And on what I be chefs up in on incomedy no man didn't quite this. And the Faustino and then now no there's a copeka. Not you or double nonsense so nobody in Saba I answered that. And two people was a penny when you double on this movie. Because I got also 10 chefs up penny by beginning no because I love them for my
penny. I was a penny their burial. I was a penny for count who has some more court. But Odansini is what
Odansini Faustina but that time no is any new details I didn't no years
ma teacher ni no maami teacher ni no wo pese wo kase no nim sakocha se wane kwadwo said you claim to know Charles very well no nim sa Charles ni akocha se ni that one
say David Beyonce in this case you can't blame that woman for a second because court say me buy na ni honim and I'm not saying
you but it you have to nim no kora na motna wo hwe han ya obi a wonim this na me blame no for it. It is not fair to Odoboni.
So if you're media dance, it's Uncle B, and then shall dance here, dear, and maybe one could dear Nancy. Then you can blame her. But if not, this has nothing to do with her. Or not that Lumba teacher. And now no, even if you're privy to
but sister mami kwatena radio station ka say Akosua say why Lumba oni Akosua say why nya awade o so who kai de who kai sa audio no mami ni kwatena radio station ka say
ebi aluma amona mane entene de ebi aluma kan kire no entene de ina yaka so Abusuapanin ka no oni we na ma a chen ye fan ho say odnes tio adna mo he odnes aba elder boy tell so elder ono na den sane baaye eso so nka ho asem e je Abusuapanin fan ya na ele to say na we nyina ho to no fe Faustino ba Faustina ma nti wa ma ono no oni ho e je no beka on ti do ni no kan ya na o protect Odoboni wo court wo nsem bi e secret baaye anyo ono kra no a e bia de ka motie ka monti asem papa but we dey make anyo ono about le ansam de ntimi nka anyo Abusuapanin a ene na si wa naka wa ha Odoboni de nkwa koma nyantu. I'm telling you
it is the same as it is the same that the whole world we have disappointed this man who lived with the best of the truth about the life the story the life after okana no tumun when ya come for sana yen conclude asem na
say asem sina so no unim so say oti ona make say eta make say this time no so ye ho so ye bibia ba o mama fo hu no a hu ya kenye say obi e hu ye hu na elite ona me chen
David Beyonce. All I can say to our family,
you are trying to be nice to me, but I'm not trying to be nice.
David, they won't say them many forecast Owo Seifi.
Hey.
This is a typical example of Owo Seifi because say nanka Abusuapanin and no what that a press center and some of these things probably Ebian Kono will get answers to some of these things, but in this case Abusuapanin dana or hono I be anaka most of Ebia that Lumba warrior cry say Ebia no kaho and all the other people no that Lumba himself is not there. Abusuapanin dana ni ho that Lumba mami ni ho, and so you can attest to the fact that all these key people are and they will be able to give out a lot of information about all these things. No, they are not there. Ena nipa nankasa so.
How about Lumba's biological children, which happens to be Akosua Serwaa's kids? Who knows the truth? Omo mama no papa eja awaren. Omo nso mo defend your mana. Mo defend your mana. So we've been dragging this issue for 1 year. People know the truth. What is stopping people from coming out to tell us truth ni nie keke? Are you guys defending every single soul that knows the truth? We did the best, but somehow now the whole best. Fine. They know how much I'm best. Do you have a chance? You have a chance. Baba, the American say, they should. There be me patron men kasa. To me, no, but I'm questioning them. If I'm in courtroom, if I'm in a courtroom and you are standing in the box and I'm questioning you, I have every right to question. You know the truth that your mother and your dad is over. Why are they not telling us the truth there? This is the truth. Our mom and dad, it's more patches because or your mama they should not speak up. They shouldn't tell the truth. Is that what we are encouraging? Send them man to me testify against me. Is that what we are trying to portray here as Ghanaians?
They don't want to. So it's over to Fosu. They don't want to. But they know what my
everybody doesn't want to testify. And I'm going to say Fosu in a legacy into the gutters like this. Is that what you all are saying? That not a single soul can testify and say Awariano was over. Ampaya mami niho. Ampaya brano ani ye kumano dadani ni hobium. Even including Odobro ni so date no obian testify here. Testify in the 1 year abansana. That's what we want. No.
So the one man was a fighter for what fighter would do.
Right, it's okay. That and Serwaa. Asamno the people that were involved. Nipa ye diomo koko Abusuapanin Odobroni and a transitional funeral home. And we all know so right from the get-go, you know, say Abusuapanin from the get-go said Onim Odobroni, not because Onim ne say Ebia Ohune da nasa on tenenka, but Onim the details of Onene life for that Lumba, and it tells you said that Lumba was a the question you should ask yourself and they say that Lumba na ye mu wan name that Lumba ask them to say the name ya open to it no. Nobody even knew about Mami Akosua about Ghana, including all the people that and they almost sorry or more kwamano. None of them knew her. And Tinanko Binima, even Usha Serwaa me here interview or koye and ask Okoka Odobroni but or mention Mami Serwaa dia. It tells you say that Lumba might have told Ebi only Serwaa din convention so you bear the name of Meyere and I say Bibi, but Nipa no Serwaa no meets every day your Odobroni, and you don't expect that Lumba needs to sit Serwaa me and ask anybody down and then explain to her about the past Aware and the present Aware. At the end of the day, Nipa no wohono, no huno, and in Ebiana even Serwaa me might think said that Serwaa was Odobroni, and it was certainly Odobroni that he can say Serwaa was referring to because Onuna was Shiano. So that should tell you that Lumba himself, no, we didn't know about his children, we didn't know about most of these things that we are talking about here. There are lots of people cry no money say bia Mami Akosua Serwaa bi or baby and Odobroni Osha or that Lumba wu here. Not most people were calling Odobroni Serwaa. because that was the name I be no Mati Wonumunia. And so people didn't know, including family members. And they say, who be some say my cousin be then they cause one a brabo man. I say, then they call, I will not be able to give you information because Obi a bonne bra.
Serwaa, you guys are really defending this thing, and it's very confusing to me. I'll be honest with you, because there are people who are key people who knows the truth about this story. All we need is people testifying and proving said this marriage was over. And Kayem Beduha 1 year for this man to be ridiculed. On say Obi Bisami say Yemi Fiasem, Bre Yemi Fiasem says Subain Weinti. And Ghana ye breno. When people need to speak up and question things mu sorry anamu chotron some namu bisebisa some mu kasani ye kasa namu ye dede ye shuro biao. Listen, if questions need to be asked, it's going to be asked because we one way or the other we are all involved in this. If you don't ask me those silly questions you're asking me, and let me feel ask them, and I've not talked about it, but I'm questioning based on what was read today. Na me bisa say. So if Abusuapanin way na, and then mama ya bedruha. Why have we dragged this issue to today? Somebody needed to speak up. Simple.
Davi, hold on. And on our who are you blaming when it comes to?
Me Pacho, I'm not blaming anybody. I didn't mention anybody's name. I asked a simple question and a broad question. Say Abusuapanin bi enim sa asem no kure na say ne da. Den ti na ye mama me ne kwan. Ma otumi ba bonte kura be critique yourself to say edia asai papa ne legacy ana. That's my question. That is the simple question I'm asking. But it's coming off as everybody wants to blame somebody and question. And so the more you throw questions at me, the more I go deeper and ask, say, they've always been known. So now somebody is telling me, so okay, Brian will cast okay, but is it fair? Me man to me because they can't speak up. They can't speak up for what?
No, hold on. Hey, Davi, hold on. And Kolana Semna will come. You have a valid.
And they are not kids anyway. Let's correct that. They are not children.
Kolana never went to court. Yeah, that is what you should know. Say, and Kolano, yeah, Obi and Seman Kolabia will court. Kolana dance here will court. And then Kolana, so they are not obliged to come and say anything to anybody because at the end of the day, who are they even coming to answer to? Asem na a court asem a social media phone asem na asem na beye dia babayeno. And you don't expect say that number ba entina se na oba metre dem. You see that number no, we don't know the kind of entity or the man in that. Ye nyina senye asemi na ba. Nobody knows some other number catching him and na entity yeah. The question you should ask yourself, they say, Adena or Dobuni Crampa didn't say me up to date, she has kept quiet. Because probably that's the kind of training they had.
Then it means that the young answer shut up then. Then it means that we should also shut up. Because Nipano Dene Honekrano is not ready to talk, to tell us what the truth is, so we can all have a peaceful idea. And just say, you, everybody else is fighting a lost battle because the Nipa no de ne hone nim no kre no they've enti omo nyina enye din na yen ya gira dom ayededa na. Is that right? Is that right though? Munim no kre no mo ma yen hu no kre no e na yen yegu abonti ni ye kasa. So what is the fairness here? Okay, maybe I told you a drop on me. Now I get it. How Ghanaians we do because I don't get it. Say what someone will be a cabina nim no woman. Speak up so everybody will shut up, but nobody is talking. Into munim no krana moto na ye good demuni ye now crofo and people are relaxed and chilling. Wow. Okay. Yati.
All right, Gabby. Thank you so much. Thank you. See that I'll pick you, okay? All right, Erica, please kindly come in. Kindly come in, okay? Now, and then the Davia Hiti come apart. That will be Beyonce Hiti.
Brian. Brian.
Wow.
Yes.
Me pachu. I say Brempoma that I did some no wakoka. I say Martin ni say as wakodin komo bia na monte.
Pachu nyanti you.
Nyanti.
Me menye ntimi ye me akede me metie se nipa na eka ne se yeso no obi akodi nkomo se wo sere na apa ne che nkutodu gu fam ma wonye ni mu no je ni mu obeye mobo
Enye ta lady bi no. Lady B or what TLW now Matisa I think my chance on that video on FYP. Is it Abnabi or whoever it is a number? Is that not a no come
me kwato so nipa ne kan wa se na me nim nipa kro ni di san komo me nyansa nko peace a video ni so
na it's got baby say na say obey. Maybe I'll see you. I don't know one pet like Eric.
It's a person. Oh, for so pie mediana.
As I'm maintain the whole can see. I thought that they are coming to give us the news. But some pet clarification. And me probably say be as some what here or baby catcher say be a wakodi komoni as messian. But me there what I heard is what I've told you.
Na me nim say bi amate on say nipa no wan sheda mo nipa no ni kodi nsan ko no ka no be na me nim say matenti na me bebu sam say mate die
it was that lady no say oni ma me brempo ma din komo no ma me brempo ma say ma on jai ni mo no jai ni mo obewu or something like that. It's the lady that said it.
Brian Mami mu anti mu ye ne dey as say odi na ni ato abonten so fo isu
so wa anso no obewu ani say okay san okay na say wo die say wo die enyi ebewu
na wo do wani tu ni paso wa dey
obi so mu na so obewu say wo die enyi ni akofo obi na ba kire bo
ono no nim what
it see anso na obewu na okwa me na me nka say okwa ye ho beto ye de enyi say na me ka no but the word obi abewu ana
no the person change or
so anso no obewu me hu de o kire
jai ni mo a
me ti doka na sepa
why say na mo kan
me ti doka na sepa I ni fa wo wiase na se wo nwunu wadwon boni wo wutiri mu a o de me che no sa na besi on sa abontinsi na nde so mo na nyisa obewu di antina obewu e dey to bi amba obewu
right asem na mo kan
yes ma obi de blempama o say obi anso no obewu
Brian
na mo so no mo say bibi ya na say
me wo dia me ka say owu eye de but the word obi abewu
Mr. Wahel Bajo o mo so no mo say saying mentiase
no you see the lady is saying said there's one lady. I wish I had the audio.
What they catch here, Mr. Wahel? I mean, say we need to see how they.
So there's one lady that says, someone on my year, say Mama Bempoma Foundation or something, and they are doing a project or something. The lady was complaining bitterly on another person's page, and then she's saying, "Oni Mama Bempoma Kasa," and then the person just said, "Mama Bempoma Kati team legal wife for most of them now the frontliners no Kati off on your mon Kasabium because of how they are behaving no, but on only they also on any Kasa no catch any says so join moi." Obewu say ojani mo ebeha no or something like that. What you say?
Nice to Rahel. Say nipa na onene kasa no. Brempoma ne nim say nipa ne nso no mu nyesa ojani mo bibe ye na nice na opa kire. Ani nipa no koso nso no mu say enye yasem ana yasem.
Yasem.
Nice to obi asem de.
Of course it's trouble. Man anaji ebabu ma hai.
Oh David ono ma brempoma asem de o kan e amunya abotre na Mr. Wahel. Anya mame brempoma yi na kacho dobronyi se onko ye dead lumba autopsy o ka se nyo ono ano
a
anya na dia buya panyi ko court na no ya se o me chere dead lumba ka o mo mebuka na o mo chere ba bia dead lumba wono oh Mr. Wahel
me sa fa ko kranka ho ono aso na kacho dobronyi se man ka se bi ancho Abusuapanin ni papa me ana man font tinu bo ya da bi ana man font tinu bo bi ase
Mr. Rahel, make back on home. Make back on home. On once in a fraud brony baby. That's a parcel of what some bread many so.
Oh, sister, any day Old Testament. Mammy wait.
I'm robber or
the no or your investor or your philanthropist. Mammy, Akosua Brempoma or your Brunye Juma. When yes, Kappa, Menu Kase, Wabi Foundation. na the foundation no dwa o madi ne nyoma matoto e de akopa Akosua hospital no mama Korea akora be ka se de mabra mpoma ye de atutwam nti nipa bi o yesa adwuma we de esta wa he ne ho enkyere no na wo achi ginafo a omate foundation de ama no nti se ohia bibia na aten se brepoma foundation no betumi aso na se ne pa nti esta wa he we de se nya ya se mu ana
At all.
Yes, see anybody to the contribute to you.
Okay, me kote na na mi bisa.
That's it. Why are there? Before the
Kote na mi bisa.
That's it.
Me wie Easter ahe me wie drop me.
Okay.
Na me ka say sister no de buo fu we si fom sisi do kan no me fa ba bi metena se kakara. Beginning
concern pa.
Beginning no Brian and credit da wa na maka. Okura o kan say beginning na ma me no nyina motai na chi.
Ni enim ka say asem wonnim a na obi anim. Eno omo nim no Faustina ane brempoma. Eno omo de asem sie ye no man kan no kure no. Because Faustina kwa de on de kan wan kan. Brempoma no o peja pade. No obi anim. And they just finding out no. They was Debbie, the old brempoma kan ya no kure. So na me channel. And no time can say ye ne Abusuapanin tena kan ni akodun kan na adwene chanyi ye. Abusuapanin akon kan ya na ko nu se sa na tie. Enti ni owo ye no. O na me channel AYÄHU no ma bi no. Me mom de me odu airport no. Da oba odu airport no. Da na ma adwene se sai. Ko me hu nipa na odu airport no me hu am se da bi. Ma mi nyukunu mu ye. O me de no. Me hu na airport am se nyukunu mu ye because obi a nyukuna wu. So odu ubo sin no. And me na what you na that time was some adwene. Ba na men kan some adwene. Oba beginning ni die true beginning ni die. Dey fi so na na asem mo ba che fanya ada bi say na yiri ni. Awale na gu. But ni enim ade a wonim no so die na wonim to hu die no so da bi. So hu die a ene so defend so da me che no. E dey be defend no.
Oh na man ko fu bi dwen say odobro ni ama mu bibi nti na mo adwen asasa no. Ano na man ko fu bi dwen say
odobro ni over me ti America or not Ghana or the on subsidies abdom dollars for Hana. Ade na odobro ni what me di ama me. We could have been here, but they call me here on live. They didn't here. This is a proposal to come. But me tell me name radio. Baby, I made that and they made the hear me. Ni has mo bi ho. No double know what you am me. So I just
no
so because I said me the David can me return as you. Me to obi ase but the chair say blame mu na I must see abusuafo no. Enye abusua ni nyina o. Abusua ni bi. Oh, no, person moye clear no. Enya busuafo enya busuan me no say at least 70% support the goni. But kitchen no mo no. And oh yeah. That's have been from for still crowd support. I have been poma. And as am me na my channel mo nya busuafo. My channel mo do mo channel mo nya busuafo. No mo ye dede. Do you my channel so busuan did na chi a. Ko ba ko from my channel did na chi. My channel mo na chi mo nya busuafo. Kakra bi. Ona me channel and na omo ye abusuan mo ye pa no penifo pa ho omo ye nim de omo nyina ye din omo kasa ona me channel obi anum se de ma me ne ye nanye obi anim ana wana office ne de hye abusa fijim na oba ye birthday party come on eto obi anim ba je se omo kasa kasa ye nim na ja ya de tue ne se de be ka bi because ye nhwe ma ne nkosa ne kasa but obi anim odo no kra no ID because se be o ha na se ke mu bi no e ke yet from the beginning. But yente o na meche no ba kwa bi le fa dey sia kwoti
wono akasa so oduabu wono so beginning no
beginning dey me mbre mu no ko bi pom ma say Abusuapanin kire no cause onu de opese wo ye wanya se be kana but maka cause obi pom ma ne de opese wo ye ma me ntamani abi no mo ya ntamani me ka bi no wono begin wo kwa ha o wan ma kode fo no odidi ha no wo progu ha okwa no akwa enti wa Abusuapanin nipa onum nyansa so wonye smarter ona me chen na ka no ma say wana yedu wenya okache odo he even okona ma odo ni koye e fe no say autopsy no ba okache odo bro nsi woni kan che Abusuapanin say wana wakoye enti chino kan bi say ayi na ka se men koye e chen bu fu na ka se da bi na obi di share ona koye autopsy no say ben poma na se men koye na ona ye na sa ye ntokwa because wa say Abusuapanin wa kire a kire no wase odobro nso ache Abusuapanin.
Mr. Rahel, me pacho me wa break just 1 minute. Mr. Brian, we find check me why. Me pacho me mami twam anam kakra bi. Brian, who make a comment be? O comment no, I see just a question. So it feel like say odobro ni na one that the lumba wo ho nyina na that the lumba yare na ohye no. Na munim se bio o wayere so wo akonto mu. Na who make comment be say na munim say Akosua say one and home mobo. And it feel like say
sorry. I'm correct. Okay. Then you say Akosua say one the kunin lumba and then home mobo. Enka mobo asa. Koto Germany onye mobo.
And na munim say lumba ti Ghana na munim say no hwan na tifi e wo Ghana akra.
Me make say. Won say ti we no. Ye ni Ghana ho, ye ni obi na Ghana. Abusua na ye kana say 98% e wo abrochire. It's what I say. Oh, let me say. It's ye new, you know, when I was born a bra, oh, when you have a bra, many and Bob Bra, many and my bomb bra. Lumba, bra, there's something to make a lumba. Oh, we are be a baby down in your cohe, and be a bonny bra. It's not dear only a mission to know be a beer new dear Kosu to say, who's any beer columns or do money or do not wins here. No be any.
Okay, so me concern is say, it's feel like me concern or just my opinion is feel like sometimes, you know, I say, Busiano do baby no more fair to odobroni in the way say me your buy me to me ba worry more met me jamu be ma ho akwatena baby na obi a hwe mu be ma ana I don't know me concern kakra no
answer one team me didn't see.
Hey Brian, hold on Michi.
Okay.
If you look at your family, okay, Mami Bisao.
Yeah.
Apart from Mami Emma, you are privy to what goes. Even Mami Emma Crown, when you be beyond the cost of be a brabuma, you know.
Yeah.
Cousins, only what goes on in their married life.
Mostly, not all of them, dear.
How many of them pana ofel say Ushawa brabuma unim dear cost of mawarim? How many of them?
Say. Like Udi Lumba Busiano to
Debbie, I'm just asking a question. Say.
No, not all of them. Yeah, not all of them.
Now mami nuyama no.
No, you don't know every details about them.
Of course, it's the same issue na you can want some has to see. So nobody should blame me. So be some say me mami nuyama no. O ma worry to say I can't say it.
But Sister Rahel, in this situation, they kept their mouth quiet. They didn't talk about it.
How do you know Omo Munim no krena? And you can't say, well, Omo Munim no krena, winding up.
Minim say na Auntie Faustina no krena. Minim say, minim say Lumba are down for ya born in papa ya na or tiny and Nansen. Me refi papa ni din. Not tiny papa penny mubi Nancy pass will be back Kaimia.
Itia kono.
Itia kono, yes.
Mr. Itia kono.
Minim say ono su nim the krena. And I minim say. This Rahel, mami, you want me to? I'm trying to answer the question. I mean, say Lumba mbano sunim no koreno, although Brody Nagasan sunim no koreno. But in this case, they all decided to keep quiet, and people drag the man's name in the mud. Near me say, Obodan for Kuwa, you good and you must say you gulumba, you must know. You must be any Lumba, but
Efwa. Me, only Nipa Delia. You should be very fair to each and every one of them.
Okay.
Like I am saying, the extended family, Brian, Momu, that Lumba, Nianum, for Ebia, Mami, Mani, Sani Manima. You can bear with me, say, Unyanum, and as I will step, Umami, Manum. You don't know what goes on in their married life. And say, Bibi, ama, and Ebio, Bibeka Cho say, Unya, we call Warren, and Sabi Nikuna free man, as will be a Nikuna, Bonnie, you will not have an idea about Nipani life because everybody has got a life to live. Okay. Now, the only people Ubetimi are blaming in this instance. I am Mami Brempoma and then you can say
Mami Faustina.
Mami Faustina, these two. Oyi omo free etsi nchen odo broni as a person ono ankasa ye de ne court. Ono so koka di onim efa na aware ho e wo court. She did that, and that is why the court permitted her to be a wife. What I say, and then the Lumba Mano, and Mano didn't come in when it comes to this court case. I was for saying, can yet social media and the best same way, man. Can you think some way would have gotten to this level?
No, but the thing is,
even when even when the issue started, no, did anybody think say the bed drag ya some na bedru any year kasi? Nobody actually even.
Who say, Sister Rahel? Who say in the history of Ghana, me fit time my woman. Me who say obiye wu my dragging for 1 year that. Me who be that?
I don't think I make a choice. No, social media na ma say me I ask him. Because if you listen to and talk AC what team legal wives are, they are the ones that have fueled this issue. Yes. Whatever. Nenkolano obian one more than kolane court. Obian fan kolana court. And what do you expect the children to do? How many bibi ombeye? Ebia probably what we're expecting say they will come and give a press statement, but they are not the ones to come and publicly disclose some of powerism and their betra bonti. And American say who named how that numbers who training kolano. Who named your catch them ma answer no wolf frame. And this thing no a social change.
Mame bremo kakra. I think say I be on ma o kan mame fa enhye ha na emwe. Say me what 30 plus years. Now I've stayed and lived in Germany for a long time. Now my dad is an icon like Dad Lumba. Nkaba now makoji a serious injunction at the same way so across all network. Across internet baby bia so that obia and semi opadin say
thank you.
The legacy the legacy a DLJ no eye ne ma ne ne yere ne abusua dia tis o ma kwan masa de we sia na say wo na o ma kwan say why say ya meba
Alex.
Nka will hold my mom accountable TME pa on what grounds NOB ebeka say me mama abetua ne ka say omo emfa sika we na omo nkoma no the person will disrespect my dad, my mom, call us names, and even yanka sakura no ebi do be o meka nsem bi de atiaye so why emma saa de no ento obi atrimu say na me no ka say obi kasati ya mami afana kokot na me no kasai obi kasati ya papa legacy a hwe edimpa eyechen ahonya your name comes first meba start why don't let mama maye massage this situation. And if there's a blame be to be blamer, I'll blame 3 people in this. The first one eyo no ankasa ne yire. The woman has messed up big time. The yire panyini wa messy up big time because so wodwene papa no ho say oba wona ne ware ya you never allowed such thing. We are disgusting and it has never share. The more mass seminary very serious and dangerous and they say first na near what radio and wireless GBC 1 2 and 3 pacho and TV Krobia and Pashe. The world that you saw it in the 90s 2000 is gone. Now we live in a global village driven by internet, and whether we like it or not, the videos we are sharing is never going to leave the internet. Especially with just a click of your name, your videos will come up. I think so there's an introduction of an AI whereby the AI will drive the narrative, navigate, and some of my will come in your resume, will come in your interview for visas, will come in your marriages, and it will come everywhere. And let me ask you this. If some of these boys and girls get into contact into marriage, do you know what will come up? These things will be. 2, if there are businesses that are ready to protect their brand, do you know what will come up? These stories will come up. If I should tell you the emotional, psychological trauma, this issue, I'll be very radical. I'm telling you, I'll be very radical. Because, and yes, sir, that lumba bad boy, no, I can't be, or see, Ghana for nsɛm a mo kana kyerɛ na de bi say he has to protect ni nua no mamaka. So Obeka Chem said the man should defend her. Madam, they have to voice out. Let's call a spade because that's some moka, you know. Some of them so in crowd can be a cabana with court. I'm telling you, because see and get court because you see and we are saying a yet. This is what we have to do.
You are right with what you said, but you see, me the only part I consider Enkolano is because a year Calvin and in Dennis out, but Calvin in you have forgotten say asem when you now was started do a yomo papano asem no so the genesis of it and everything about asem way eso for mama hu enti no omo sa Enkolano
you are no
Sarah, you are getting it wrong.
It's all right, Nyabotre, Mammy can't say we Nyabotre. So I Mammy Kichawa Diwe. And Krano have been coming to Ghana back to back. And you. They've come to live with that lumba. They've come to live with Nigeria.
If I put myself in the shoes of Nkolawia, here is my dad issue, and this is my mom that is alive. And also taking a course, and so that children I will be in a fixed position because no person will protect your papa there. But then again, so no, it's like rising up against your mom, and I said doing something against your mom because at the end of the day, no, a nipa was sorry, so your mommy. Probably I'm too considerate, you know.
But me pacho mameka say and I miss him na food.
Considering obia feelings and then you know.
It's alright. Mameka say and I miss him na food be one pacho. It's alright. Who is that make say me pe Jesse? And so to na Ghana ni England bobo na mini hope. After na Miss Rose me to Jesse. Because Miss Rose me to Jesse na beka dem will meet me share. Na mini hope game no kwa man because na mini hope ba who say e wo match ni homo bo game me ko die me say me hwe me ti goal na ma sorry say they menya hope kakra your Black Star team me who say they can face France, they can face Portugal, and I have hope in the goalkeeper.
Sister if we unpatch 1 second. Sister Wayo. Me know can say the damage these people have done to that Lumbamba is never going to leave them.
I know they're so true.
Ubia ne papa empen hwasem. Hey, kabana mature letters at the Ghana Education Service, Ghana Media Authority, Ghana Bar Association, and Kamedia Kobe Bia se for Ghana for someone will be Jagan a dead lumba semka.
I know that the children can do that. Why not?
Yes. It is a legacy now. Microphone also be a true. His name and legacy is the right. The sad you with your mom by
David, me kill back. Only say Alex, baby, I deja.
Why, David beyond fun. Picking up.
Sarah, Pacho, Mamika Master Man, I'm passing the Hawaii. Now, football over the bar.
Royal, the way I made Sabi Baha, the followers Baha, what's it to be nice to be okay? Who's the Alex? I don't know, maybe to stay for Casavina. Like a opportunity, and then you will fire. That moment is fire, me three fire, and then fire.
David, anything obey the kind. David, obey the far more, Sana Yomo.
Alex, look your man stay for Casavio. There's a bit ahead. When they will, I lock your toes. I say, we need the papa.
Brian, yes, what Timo.
Alex, me Pacho, I've been meaning to talk to you. One at the platform like our question. There's this guy who always tries to disrespect you. Me, I don't like it. I don't want you to entertain him again.
Pacho, why?
Me when the last time he was no kasa rough. Now I was very angry.
A year na
Obone gi amekai.
Na ARG chana.
There be ba be any ARG ba be wo hono ba be by no kasa rough. I wasn't happy.
What Anna?
Yes.
Oh no, I've already disregarded him. I've told him that I'm not going to engage him. Yes.
Pacho me or started just
get down because we know be also obi di when you.
No, I've already told him. So
we love you and we respect you. So brawo die ma ye do ni enho ahwa. So be kwa de pa ho na so obi be disrespect one patrol ko bi.
Mama, oh no, that guy, I've told him, say I'm not going to entertain him. Yes, because of Abusuapanin Juman Intin, there are so many things that we have to diffuse it. Intina, Mama,
obi from Mama. Oh, Mama Bay. I just have to say how I feel. Okay, one more. As some near one meeting, be me back to me so. As some Davi can say at the end, yeah. Me na say a lot of people know the truth, but they've all kept quiet. And DL's legacy and his name is being dragged in the mud. Share areas so. So I don't know why they kept quiet and allowed people they are not part of the family to drag this man and his legacy in the mud. I did talk about it forever and sister.
No, for your network is bad, or we can't hear you.
Oh, can you hear me now? Sarah, can you hear me now?
Yes. I was for yen tap. Let's stabilize the network. Why pamucho? Yen tap yen giftina and stabilize it. We know why na. Me pese ye be say ana another be pamucho. All right. I can't hear if
Alex Kwana. I need Alex here.
And yeah, I drew me so that is for why David to was.
Hold on,
Kasa.
All right,
coming.
Now me one question, Master Alex. No, so easy for me.
Oh, Munna mo say Alex. Okay.
I told me so. Okay, listen, I'll be say so. Babusia when I minim omo balumba star. What you say? Lumba star. There are some details. It will come public, especially in family life. By the way, they not make can say. And they say me do baby na omu yawo. Omu ya na word mo unti me ampote an comment. Oh, that me ra who say.
I don't know how comment. It is normal. It comes with this whole thing. Me, I have come to realize the only thing people can do is to insult and it's a baby and funny pound. So forget about it.
Yeah, and see, na Brian, na master my mechanic. Right now, na mo jina mo who no krena mo protect other brony no. Ne mo lumba legacy ni na. We know say at a time we will get there. But now my question is but it's already been answered, right? It's the mechanic say right now no creepy or baby. I said that we can just. I said the abedun a dreary she gaya was about online. What like the ever say no essay no crow baby let it come out na you yeah because the point mean that the poet money check it Mr. Rahel ba lifetime bay the last life yet tambe because okwa the pa which means na hot yeah the me master less now makuma like yes realm you say a time right now no crib baby woman and browse. Now, Mamma, dear, she's aware of whatever she's doing. Mamma, no, she's aware about whatever she. And no, say, and then guy often Hohoyana say, why? Or see, Mama Gina, they are in contact with everybody or more insult online. Or more in contact with everybody or more dear them.
I'm not what's a guy, no, why not? They didn't say.
It's
not why I'm back to Munya, but oh, anyway.
Be a good student, Miss Alex, and now at the Paya for Alex. Do you know what Mommy said about the type?
Go.
Era Sarah, bro, it's been though.
But you see, the irony of the issue is that one person, the same person, will sit on his platform and talk about Odobroni, talk about Abusuapanin, talk about Roman father, talk about every other person. Yeah. Why is it that one will become once a month you need to come and insult the person?
Yeah, and it's wireless such na.
That's right here. Say, Nkofobi wona money no krena, they go into defensive mechanism.
I don't understand. Who the ultimate call biasem no be intimate kawasem. What?
A strategy. My main can say mejo. Unso amde krono tu obi so. O sun tia mu de ne sego neti. Ye kan say ma me bia diska. Henry free ne hunu mu free ase ye kokan yomo.
Okay.
Na no mu ka so bia diska. Obodua. Papa ya mo de fa no kon ho de yomo tana so ho no. Wo so opeche wa part 7. Ohun wi ase. Ba ku obi sun ye. I'm friend that has the end, they always soon giddy online also. So I nipa din say ya. And
if you Alex, why do certain people feel some do mo ye nipa chen ibimo?
And yes, woman himself we nipa.
Look at the things they said about Dobroni. Look at the things that they are saying about Abusuapanin. Look at the dummy things they are saying about Roman father and every other person. Namo de obika wasema. Oh no, you are offended. So the obetimi at now platform so the nipa na
Rahel darling, that is the main reason why we should defend Lumba regardless. So whether you know the truth is your way of defending and telling the truth, coming out with the truth, so that the world who doesn't know what it is about this man can speak up. Papa no ya mona say on kasa bebre. It is what tia say na went to me ankasa mo amoya na do na mo no kure no so aden na mmera so say the nyame aka na no atom kura completely na mo nkasa ma no mesere mo Proverbs something Brian na look to so me hwehwe sa you know quotation no na me dia ba will Proverbs say won't mean kasa kura kasa ma no eti media mi gusu da mo so say aden na nipa bebre we buche kakra enye obi akura binum nim. But ma be abonti mesi ne meka no kure no. And Alex, me pacho your wedding bells it's ringing. Whether you like it or not, I'll be your fit or fit wife.
Hey, me yere baba bebu. Omo baba bebu.
Ono kaza ko mu mi face to face o no na meka kire say ware meka no. The way you are intelligent and the way you do your things, no, I love it. I love it. Because you are right there. Kevin is not a small boy. He's not a baby. Until to be defending and to be playing around. Hey, Charles, wabe kufo no mu yede de wa menyo mo de.
O mafia Abusuapanin no mo ye.
O de to aso ma me na me ba me so wo mo che.
Mr. Rahel. Young shot.
Let me be some question where you answer now I be wine patch.
Yes. Yes.
Now, Mr. Rahel, a verdict na okay kind of. Na se si ade na any monarchy. Na o say who say near Castle during that said she was too lenient with Mami Akosua. My question is, Alex, if there was a witness say, oh okay, muno awari efia awari, that means enti so bia me so ma ware na me ja ware and I saw them fans say me ja ekra na akotena baby about 10 years 18 years na me nya ma said there responsibilities be anka aware no ho and a judge no just because of just witness until na waje atuma na say
during that, you know, if they wanted to push it down, can you mommy and some be one they could have during that Eka said if you are you can prove it by conduct. And court aware no and not yet a monogamous just based on signature.
Conduct as in say your behavior and answer say.
Conduct and I can bet you know.
Okay.
Conduct and be say one ukuno eda. Would no aduane ma ukuno. Utu ukuno mpa. Watch a chirene ore. Motun sa didi. Mona mabontene mo it is a fear juma usi ne nyoma ene sa nyoma ni nyina.
If Alex, please wait a minute. If what you just mentioned is what Judge Dorinda judged that customary marriage by, the other side go to say, "Wow, won't fall anywhere." Anna
say, enu ntina.
So,
the offolly in say, otimba chire say, Abusuapanin kasam no ka say ojitum so mo ware 1991. That means by the conduct, expectation of the family,
say efia ware said ye ware ofie no maame Akosua Serwaa did that part and the family